Hi, good morning. How are you today? I am Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. And this morning is we are going to learn about phonics in reading. Okay? So as far as you remember, if you are going to go back to your previous topic, you were able to learn how to read those different words. And this morning, I will going to share with you about the new words for today. Okay, so I have it here, and that's it. And then let's do have a reading first, and then this time you will going to read about Teacher Marvin will going to read first the word, and then you have to repeat after me. Okay, are you ready? Very good. Now welcome to our jolly phonics, because today is our subject is English phonics. All right. Okay, so we have here. So welcome to Primary 1, the English program, and our subject for today is phonics. And what is our topic for today? For phonics, it refers to our OW sounds. It tells about the OU sounds. When we say OU sounds, it's OW sounds. All right. So this is the OU sounds, or shall we say ow sounds. Everybody say ow. That's right. That is ow. Do not say OU. Instead, you have to say ow sounds. And what are those examples for ow sounds? Okay, I will going to read the word twice, and then you have to repeat right after me. Okay, so say for example, house. Everybody say house. Very good. Again, house. Good job. That is a ow sound. House. Yes, this is an example of ow sounds, because house spell with the word, spell with the House. House. Next, another one is what we call sound. Sound. Everybody say sound. That's right. Sound. Next, we have another one, what we call out. Out. Yes. Everybody say out. Very good. And we have another one, sound, south, south. Everybody say south. That's right. And then we have another one, found, found. Very good. All right. Let's do have the investigation how to read correctly, how to read, speak properly the different sound, which is ow sound. Okay, say for example, we have here, number one, we have what we call house. Everybody say house. That's right. Now, let us read one by one. We all know that house starts with letter H, and that is the ow, and then the SE. Now, Teacher Marvin, we're going to say, ha, ha. H is a sound of ha plus ow sound. H plus ow plus s. So therefore, if we are going to read the word H plus ow sound plus SE, that is house. Very good. Everybody say house. That's right. Another one, sound. Sound. Now, sound will be read one by one. Sound start with letter S. So that is, what is the sound of S? S, s, plus ow, ow, plus n, 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 plus d, d. So if we are going to read the word s, ow, n, d, so that is sound, sound. That's right. Very good. Again, everybody say sound, sound. That's right. Next, another one. We have out, out. Okay, so let us read one by one. Ow plus the sound of T is, so if you are going to read the word ow plus T equals out, out. Everybody say out. That's right. Now, another one. The word is south, south. All right. Let us read the word one by one. S plus ow plus plus ha, ha. So if we are going to read the word s, ow, ha, equals south, south. Very good. Next, another one. Found. Everybody say found. All right. So let us read the word found. So what is the sound of letter F? F, f plus ow plus mm, mm, plus d, d. So if we are going to read the word, that is found, found. Very good. Now let's do have last activity. How about this word that is r, r, plus ow, ow, plus mm, mm, plus t, t. So we are going to read the word that is round, round. That's right. Good job. Another one. This word will be pronounced as k, plus ow, plus ow, plus hmm, hmm, plus So if you are going to read it, that is count, count. That's right. And so that's another one. This word will be pronounced as it starts with letter M. So what is the sound of M? Hmm, hmm, plus ow, ow, plus s, s, plus e, e. The S and E can be s, s. So therefore, if we're going to read the word, it could be very good. It could be mouse. Everybody say mouse. Good job. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you've learned a lot and just stay put at home and please take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a good day.